Fallow.
And today we're going to teach you guys how to make fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime.
Not my dog Fluffy.
Oh yeah, first, wait, hold on. Today's a sad day too because one of our family members, he passed away.
He had cancer.
Yeah, so that's a sad day too.
Maybe me and my mom were gonna go see him.
Or she was gonna go.
Yeah.
He called in the morning and they told us he passed away. So rest in peace. His name was Alan. So rest in peace.
That's my brother's. Not my brother's name. My brother's friend's name. Anyways, let's get on it.
This head.
So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some shaving cream and contact solution, and then I think my glue gel. You're gonna need a
glue too.
spoon. So gonna need a spoon. Where did my spoon go? Oh, on my nose.
So we're gonna get that.
And I have a ball to do. So let's get on.
Why the glue too?
Yeah, my glue gel. Let's get on. Okay, first things first is we're gonna add the whole little thingy of glue. It's not big.
We gotta have big ones, so.
Let's add.
We're gonna add the whole box.
We need a whole bottle.
I don't know how much that has in there. We'll be right back after she's done the way.
Okay, I just finished pouring the glue in. Now, second thing, my paper. Oh, it's okay. Don't we need to put the shaving cream on?
The contact solution first, and then you put the shaving.
Okay, we're gonna look at my chart. I got my contact solution, my brother's, so it says we need to put I'm only gonna put drops. Because this is my brother's. And then he's gonna get mad because he needs his contact solution. Okay, next we're gonna mix it.
You said you put food coloring, but we don't have any.
Okay.
It's gonna be white.
Okay, next shaving cream. Oh, geez. Oh, we finally got to do something cool first. Look at. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. Here's how it looks like right now.
Hey, that smells good too.
It smells really good. It smells like shaving cream. It smells like boys.
There's that.
There's all of the extra. Okay.
So this is fluffy slime.
Yeah, fluffy.
They can't see you. Show it to them. Yeah, isn't that cool? Sorry it was white because it didn't have no food coloring.
This is amazing.
Those are giant boogers.
Booger.
Hey, this time we didn't fail.
Hooray. Okay. Ah!
So sticky.
Okay.
I grabbed it before, so I know how it feels. So.
But my sister did one before.
Yeah.
And I was like, maybe I can do it on my channel. And I was like, mine turned out better because hers felt like rubber. So mine is like complete. I think we need a little bit more because it keeps on like mix a little more. Okay. So I think we need to be keeping this in a bag so it won't turn into flubber. Look at this. Look, watch. My wrist. Not even sticking. Okay.
So I hope you guys
enjoyed the video.
yes.
If they can't see
It's
that
all
face.
sticky.
Oh no, it's sticking to the spoon. Oh no.
See, that's why it says it was messy. So
So,
it's look, it's all messy. Yeah.
okay. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
And share our videos with your friends too.
And make sure to go and look up our other videos in the link down below.
And subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, because we make videos almost every day, but I don't...
Not almost every day, but we're trying. We're trying.
Because I go to school. I'll probably make a video tomorrow because I don't have school tomorrow. I only have school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
It's just Sunday today. Saturday, I mean Saturday. So, I guess we'll see you guys.
I'm supposed to go to Saturday school.
Well, anyways, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.